Hello everyone, it's Shane here for the Wasteland Reviewer channel here on YouTube. Falling a little behind on doing some of my reviews, so I'm going to be coming up with quite a few, which have seen 6 films since the last time I actually posted anything, so here's some coming hot and fast, but not this weekend. The weekend before I got to go see Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, directed by David Yates and screenplay written by J.K. Rowling. Now, I grew up on Harry Potter, loved the books, loved the films, and was very sad when they were finally over. And when I heard that they were going to be doing a spin-off, I was a little hesitant. And going into this movie, there's a lot of hype, and I saw it was getting some mixed reviews. I enjoyed the film quite a bit. It wasn't the best film, it definitely wasn't the best film set in the Harry Potter universe, but it was definitely a nice start to something, which I'm going to talk about a little bit more in depth. But some of the big positives, I guess, to start off with are, so David Yates has done a very good job of producing now his 5th film in the Harry Potter universe. He brings a very distinct style, and it's brought some consistency into the darker parts of the stories of Harry Potter, since he did the later ones when they became more mature than the early ones. One thing I was interested though with this was it was a lot darker than the first Harry Potter. This jumped right into going to a dark place and menacing place and knowing that there's some dark things going on. And that was reflected very well by David Yates with how he shot everything. Overall, with the special effects, because there's a lot of beasts in this film and there was going to be a lot of CGI, I guess in this day and age in 2016, you could be picky with CGI. I thought it was done well. It didn't look bad. It was good. It wasn't some of the best special effects that I've seen, but I think they did a pretty good job. J.K. Rowling, with her first attempt at writing a screenplay, definitely brings a lot of the positives that she did in the Harry Potter in writing the books and a lot of mythology. My biggest issue with this film, though, is it doesn't really have focus. Is it about beasts, or is it about Grindelwald, who is the big bad of this new series? And I really wish that it would have picked one of them, and it leaves a lot of questions moving forward to these other 4 films, but I'm not going to get into that because I don't want to spoil anything. Just the big thing is there's subplots that really weren't needed, which is going to lead into some of the actors are kind of wasted. Like Jon Voight's in this movie for no good reason. It's completely worthless. And Ezra Miller, his character doesn't get much to do, but I guess he's fine in it. But the thing is, there are some very strong performances in this film. And I'm going to start off with Eddie Redmayne as Newt Scamander. Brings a very unique character. He's not Harry Potter. He is a very different character, representing Hufflepuff, and he's very awkward, and you can find him annoying, but the thing is, he knows that, and he realizes that about his personality, and his interactions with people are very interesting. Samantha Waterston does a good job being the straight character, but the 2 of the 4 main characters in this that really steal the show are Alison Sudol, who plays her sister, and she's charming and fantastic, but the real standout is Dan Fogler, guy from Balls of Fury, and he was fantastic. I loved his character, and he did a great job, and he was probably my favorite part of this movie. And also Colin Farrell was very menacing and did a very good job of being that constant antagonist throughout the film that I very much liked. Now, there's some issues with editing. Some of the action sequences were a bit mucky, and then some odd editing choices. The music was very well done. It really brought the atmosphere together. I wish that overall I really enjoyed the film, but I really wish that it focused on one film or the other, because it kind of felt like 2 films put together. I'm going to say I'm going to give Fantastic Beasts a B+. Might be a little biased because I enjoy the Harry Potter world. It's definitely not the best movie, but I thought it was a lot of fun, and I enjoyed it, and I'm interested to see where things go from here.